Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you the best AI hashtag generator for Instagram. I have tested all these hashtag generators and I'm going to show you use cases and also give a little advice as regards which one should you go for based on the stage you are in your business. Now let's get started. The first on my list is Inflact. Inflact as an hashtag generator for Instagram, and if you scroll down, you will see generate by keyword, generate by photo, and generate by post URL. Let us generate by keyword. Let us say make money online and click on generate hashtags. You just need to wait a few seconds. Influx is done generating. And one of the reasons why I like this hashtag generator is because it categorized them into hard, medium, and easy. So now it's saying that it also gives you an instruction that to use 1 to 4 hash add hashtag, then 10 to 15 medium, and use 5 to 10 easy. So it ranks them according to difficulty, and you can scroll down and find all the hashtags. There's a lot here. So it's showing you both the easy to rank for and both the hard to rank for. So I think this will come handy to get you more visibility for your post. So you could check it out and try it. Influence will tell you to upgrade your plan to be able to continue using this Instagram hashtag generator. It could be quite pricey because there are other things that comes along with the package, such as scheduling of post and automatic follow, likes, and all. But if your business has grown to that extent and you need all this robust, complete Instagram automation assistance, then you can go for Influx. And there's another tool that gives you the same vibe as Influx, and that is ToolsU. AI hashtag generator also has almost the same package as Influx. Let me use the same. You can generate by keyword, by URL, or by photo. Let me generate by keyword. Give it a few seconds. And here you are. ToolsU also has given you hashtags and it has ranked them in difficulties. It shows you low, it shows you high, and it shows you medium, and it shows you the volume right here. And you can arrange them based on difficulty level, and this comes handy. So if you need to copy it, just click on the box here and it will show on the right hand side, then you can copy and use. ToolsU will also ask you to upgrade your plan to be able to continue to use this hashtag generator. I believe this is quite reasonable for ToolsU because at $9, for instance, you can have unlimited inquiries for hashtag generator. And if you need more services, you can go for unlimited Instagram search and all. But I feel that compared to Influx, that is asking you to pay $54 per month, although with other packages, you could start with ToolsU because it gives you almost those same metrics as Influx without breaking the bank. Let us go to a completely free tool. The completely free tool I have here is Ahrefs free AI Instagram hashtag generator. If you're in your stage of business where there's nothing to spend, you can just make use of free AI Instagram generator by Ahrefs. If you look at here, it tells you you can generate as much as 5 and up to 20 per generation. You can select image just like the other hashtag generator, and you can use a keyword here. Let us use what we have been using in others, which is make money online, and click on generate hashtags right here. It asks you to verify you are human. Hashtag has been generated, and here you have the hashtag generator. But unlike Influx and ToolsU, it's not telling you about the difficulty. But as I said, if you're just starting in your business and you just need hashtag to use and you do not care about the difficulty level, just use this and go with it. Click on copy. Now, the next AI hashtag generator I found useful is that from radar.io. This AI hashtag generator for Instagram is unique because it provides you hashtag for all many of the social media networks. So you could do it for for TikTok, for X, for Pinterest, for YouTube, and all. Then make money online is our hash, is our keyword, and we click on generate. Radar.io hashtag generator has given me all this hashtag right here, and I can simply copy and make use of it. So you could generate more and more based on your needs. So this is also completely free hashtag generator that you can make use of if you're just starting up in your business and you just need something to roll with. I hope you found this video useful. If so, please like the video and consider subscribing. See you in the next video.